we have know that the C double bond O compound or the compound which contains the C double bond O in their molecule are called as the carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. So which are the carbonyl compounds? So C double bond OH. This is called as the aldehyde. We know that aldehyde. This is aldehyde. Then C double bond O. Then both the sides, if alkyl or aryl groups are attached, then it is called as the ketone. This is called as the ketone, and this is also the carbonyl compounds. So aldehyde and ketones, these are called as the carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds means this is called as the carbonyl carbon atom. Carbonyl carbon atom. This is carbonyl carbon atom, and this one also carbonyl carbon atom. So these two are carbonyl carbon atom. In one case, in aldehyde, on one side the hydrogen is attached to carbon. Hydrogen is attached to carbon. In case of the ketone, the carbonyl carbon is attached to both the sides, the identical groups, or we say that the different groups. This is called the ketones. So aldehyde and ketones, these two are called the carbonyl compounds. Okay, these are carbonyl compounds. We know that the carbon atom is attached to the oxygen. Carbon is attached to oxygen. There is electronegativity difference between the carbon and oxygen also. So carbon atom carries the partial positive charge and the oxygen atom carries partial negative charge. So this is a polar bond, we say that, polar bond. And this carbonyl carbon is always electron deficient. It is always electron deficient. So deficient, it is always electron deficient because it carries now the positive charge. Okay. So its electron is taken by the most electronegative oxygen atom, which is bonded, directly bonded to it. So we say that this is the polar bond, polarity gets created. So carbon atom carries positive charge, oxygen atom carries negative charge. This is polar bond, okay? And carbon atom is the electron deficient carbon atom. It is electron deficient. So remember this for the competitive exams, okay? This is polar bond and carbon atom is electron deficient because which is attached to more electronegative oxygen atom, okay? Then what about the carboxylic acid? So about the carboxylic acid, the functional group is C double bond O, OH. C double bond OH is the functional group. So what happens? The carbonyl group, this is the carbonyl group, which is attached to the OH means alcohol, which is attached to alcohol. So carbonyl plus hydroxyl OH means hydroxyl group. So this is called as the carboxyl group. Carboxyl group. Okay. How this is carboxyl group? So carbo and XYL from hydroxyl name. Okay. This is called as carboxyl. This is carboxyl group. This is carboxyl. Then remember this. This is not the carbonyl compound. This is not the carbonyl compound. Okay, remember this thing. This is not the carbonyl compound. Why this is not carbonyl compound? Because carbonyl carbon is attached to another functional group also. That is called hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group. Okay, so it is the carboxyl group. So it is not carbonyl group. This is not the carbonyl compound. is not the carbonyl compound. So aldehydes and ketones are carbonyl compounds, but carboxylic acid is not the carbonyl compound. Okay. Then next, we have also discussed the definitions of aldehydes, definitions of ketones, and also definitions of carboxylic acid. Okay. So we have know about the aldehydes. So what is aldehyde? So aldehyde means the carbonyl group is attached or bonded to hydrogen. Hydrogen la attached असते. Its functional group is C double bond O H. So C double bond OH, this is the functional group. So carbonyl group is attached to at least one hydrogen atom. Aldehydes जर पाहिजे असेल, aldehydes जर असेल, so in that case the carbonyl group means C double bond O group attached to bonded to at least means कमीत कमी one hydrogen atom, at least bonded to one hydrogen atom, apart from alkyl or aryl group, apart from alkyl or aryl group. So in case of the carbonyl group is attached to hydrogen attached to at least one hydrogen apart from alkyl or aryl group. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Suppose this is the aldehyde functional. In this case, the carbonyl group is attached to at least one hydrogen. So this is the hydrogen. So carbonyl group attached to at least one hydrogen apart from alkyl or aryl group. So this position, another position is substituted by the alkyl group or aryl group. So in one side, always the alkyl or aryl group is there, or hydrogen also there. Okay. We know that this is the compound H, C double bond OH. This is also the aldehyde. This is called as formaldehyde. This is formaldehyde. याला formaldehyde असं आपण म्हणतो. This is called as formaldehyde. Okay, formaldehyde म्हणतो. आता इथे काय लिहिलंय आपण? Carbonyl group is attached to at least one hydrogen atom. At least one hydrogen is necessary. एक hydrogen atom attached पाहिजेच. That's why it is called as aldehyde. Aldehyde functional group means C double bond OH. So at least one hydrogen atom is compulsory attached to carbonyl carbon. Okay, and another position is substituted by hydrogen or alkyl group or aryl group, anyone. Alkyl group असेल, hydrogen असेल, aryl group असेल, all are called as aldehydes. So aldehydes are the means what? In aldehydes, the carbonyl group is attached to at least one hydrogen apart from alkyl or aryl group. So this is the example. Okay, suppose this is formaldehyde. Okay. Then CH3, C double bond OH. This is called as acetaldehyde. Okay, this is acetaldehyde. This is methyl group. One position is locked. by the hydrogen, locked by the hydrogen. Okay, then CH3, CH2, C double bond O, H. So this is called as propionaldehyde. Nomenclature we have to learn later. Propionaldehyde. Okay, this is called as propionaldehyde. 1, 2, 3. This is propion, means first add from Latin name personality नाव आहे ते formaldehyde from formica means ants. ants मुंग्यामध्ये stings. ओके, मुंग्यांच्या ज्या ants stings असतात, मुंगी चावल्यानंतर जे ऍसिड सिक्रीट होतं ते फॉर्मिक ऍसिड असतं. त्या फॉर्मिक ऍसिड वरनं फॉर्मल्डिहाइड नाव डिराइव्ह झालं. ओके, this is acetaldehyde obtained from the name acetum. Acetum means vinegar. Okay, vinegar, preservative वापरतो आपण vinegar. Okay, acetum पासून acetaldehyde म्हणजे acetic acid पासून acetaldehyde नाव आलं. पहिल्यांदा ऍसिडचा शोध लागला होता. ऍसिड वरनं अल्डिहाइडचे नाव जे आहेत कॉमन नेम जे आहे ते डिराइव्ह केलेले. ओके, ते आपल्याला नंतर बघायचे. ओके, सो अल्डिहाइड्स मीन्स these are the carbonyl carbon or carbonyl group or carbonyl carbon म्हटलं तरी चालेल. Carbonyl carbon is attached to at least one carbon atom, one hydrogen apart from alkyl or aryl group. Then next we have to learn what is ketones. Ketones काय आहेत बघा. Ketones शब्द ऐकला असेल तुम्ही. Ketones काय आहेत? Ketones मध्ये काय असतं? Very easy. Suppose this is a functional group of ketone. This is carbonyl carbon. Okay, this is carbonyl carbon attached to two identical groups or different groups. So this is R dash. Suppose this is R, this is R dash. If R and R dash are same, then it is also called as aldehyde. If R is not equal to R dash, then it is also called as aldehyde. Okay, aldehydes काय बघा. Aldehydes, what is aldehydes? Okay, what is aldehyde? Sorry, what is ketones? What is ketones? Ketones means in which the carbonyl carbon is attached to two identical groups or different groups. Carbonyl carbon is bonded to two identical groups, two identical alkyl groups or two identical aryl groups असंही म्हणू शकतो, or one alkyl or one aryl group असंही तुम्ही म्हणू शकता, असंही तुम्ही लिहू शकता, किंवा सिंपली तुम्ही सांगू शकता की carbonyl carbon is bonded to two identical groups or different groups. Okay, two identical groups हे दोन्ही सेम असू शकतात. This R and this R हे आयडेंटिकल असू शकतात. इथे मिथाइल ग्रुप, इथे मिथाइल ग्रुप, that is ketone. हायड्रोजन नकोय आपल्याला. हायड्रोजन जर अटॅच झाला, that is called as aldehyde. That is aldehyde. तो aldehyde functional group होईल. Two identical alkyl groups किंवा different alkyl groups जेव्हा carbonyl carbonला अटॅच असतात, that is called as ketones. That is called as ketones. Suppose examples of ketones. First one, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is called as dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone. याला काय म्हणतात? डायमिथाइल कीटोन म्हणतात. ठीक आहे. डाय शब्द नोमेनक्लेचर काय आहे, कसं करतात ते आपल्याला पाहायचे. ओके, so two methyl groups are there, two identical methyl groups, two identical groups are there, so use di, always use di. This is the rule. So two methyl groups are there, so dimethyl ketone is the name, dimethyl ketone. If they are different, then what is the name? If they are different, one is methyl group, another one is ethyl group,
Suppose one is methyl group, another one is ethyl group is there. Then what is the name? What is the name? काय नाव असेल?
Then it is called as the ethyl methyl ether. So use alphabetical order. So its name is ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether is the name. So now will ethyl methyl ether. Okay. So its name is ethyl methyl ether. So now I am ethyl methyl ether. Okay. So ketones means in this the carbonyl carbon. This is the carbonyl carbon. This is carbonyl carbon. Is attached to two identical groups like this. Two methyl groups are there, two ethyl groups are there, two propyl groups are there. Okay, two identical groups. That is also ketone or different alkyl groups. Different groups असतात. Different groups. Okay, दोन्ही साइडला carbonyl carbon is attached to different groups. एका साइडला काय? In one side methyl is there. This methyl. This is ethyl. Okay, so for common names, nomenclature system, give the name ethyl methyl ketone. Its name is ethyl methyl and use the name ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Okay, so this is about the aldehydes and ketones names. Then, okay, I think all of you understood this concept. What is aldehyde? What is ketone? What is aldehyde? What is ketone? In aldehydes, the carbonyl carbon is attached to at least one hydrogen atom apart from alkyl or aryl group. दुसऱ्या साइडला काय असेल? अल्काइल ग्रुप असेल, अराइल ग्रुप असेल किंवा काही दुसरं हायड्रोजन सुद्धा असू शकतो. हे एक्सेप्शनल एक्झाम्पल आहे फॉर्मॅलिडिहाइड. ओके. Then ketones, in which these are the compounds in which the carbonyl carbon is attached to two identical or different groups. Two identical or different groups, that is called as ketones. Example is, suppose two identical groups are present, dimethyl ketone. If they are different, one side ethyl is there, one side methyl is there, another side methyl is there, so its name is ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Its name is ethyl methyl ketone. So this is the same nomenclature system as in ether. Ether सारखंच आहे. ओके, फक्त इथे ether म्हणतो, इथे ketone म्हणायचं आहे. Common name ची सिस्टीम सेम आहे. ओके, like ether, ketones. Then we have to discuss carboxylic acid definition. What is carboxylic acid? So carboxylic acid, we know that carboxylic word is obtained from the abbreviation of the two words. One is its functional group is C double bond OOH. So its functional group is a combination of two functional groups. One is C double bond O. C double bond O. And another one is hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group. So its functional group of the carboxylic acid, carbonyl plus hydroxyl, these two words gets attached. Carbonyl plus hydroxyl. We know that. Carbonyl plus hydroxyl. It is the abbreviation of two words. Carboxyl. Carboxyl. So its name is carboxyl. Okay. Then what is the definition of the carboxyl group? So carboxyl group, we know that this is a different. We have discussed. This is different from aldehydes and ketones. This is not the carbonyl compound. This is not included in carbonyl compounds. Okay. So carboxylic acid means, what is the carboxylic acid? In carboxylic acid, we know that the OH group is bonded to the carbonyl group. Carbonyl group. Okay, and it is different from the aldehydes and ketones. Then next point, that is classification. We have to discuss now classification of aldehydes, classification of ketones, and later on classification of the corresponding carboxylic acid. So first, classification of aldehydes. So we know that the aldehydes have the functional group C double bond OH. So its one side is free and this side is taken by alkyl group or aryl. Okay, alkyl group ने घेणार ते किंवा aryl group ने दोनच पॉसिबिलिटी असतील. तिसरी पॉसिबिलिटी नसेल तर मला तिसरी पॉसिबिलिटी सर हायड्रोजन इज देअर. हायड्रोजन जर अटॅच असेल दॅट इज ऑल्सो ॲलिफॅटिक. म्हणजे ॲलिफॅटिक आणि ॲरोमॅटिक aldehydes ॲरोमॅटिक पण असतात. जर ॲरोमॅटिक रिंग इथे अटॅच असेल तर ओके, किंवा ॲलिफॅटिक असेल ओपन चेन असेल, ओपन चेन कंपाऊंड पण असू शकतात, ॲलिफॅटिक असू शकतात. So aldehydes gets classified broadly into two types. First one, aliphatic aldehydes. Second one, aromatic aldehydes. So first, two types. Two types. What is the first type? First type is called as aliphatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes. आता aliphatic aldehydes काय असतात? सिंपल आहे. Aldehyde group C double bond OH. This is the aldehydic functional group. Aldehydic functional group is also called as formyl group. Formyl group. त्याला म्हणतो किंवा aldehydic group. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण तो? Formyl group सुद्धा त्याला म्हटलं जातं. It is also called as formyl group. Formyl group म्हणतो. हे फॉर्मिल नाव जे ना फॉर्मिक ऍसिड पासून आले. तर फॉर्मिक ऍसिड फॉर्मल्डिहाइड म्हणतो ना, HH अटॅच असेल, दॅट्स व्हाय इट इज कॉल्ड एज फॉर्मिल ग्रुप और अल्डिहाइडिक ग्रुप. इथं नाव माहितीच आहे. ओके, ॲलिफॅटिक अल्डिहाइड्स काय असतात? In aliphatic aldehydes, the aldehydic functional group C double bond OH group is attached to the aliphatic chain or alkyl group. Aliphatic directly bonded to, म्हणजे त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण की aliphatic chain ला अटॅच, किंवा आपण म्हणू शकतो की सिंगल बॉन्डेड, किंवा आपण म्हणू शकतो sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन ॲटम त्याला अटॅच. ओके, sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन ॲटम असेल त्याला अटॅच असेल, म्हणजे सॅच्युरेटेड कंपाऊंडला अटॅच असेल. सॅच्युरेटेड दॅट इज aliphatic मतलब सॅच्युरेटेड मध्ये अटॅच असेल, that is aliphatic aldehydes. Okay, means the aldehydes gets attached to or aldehydic functional group is attached to the aliphatic chain or sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is saturated carbon atom. Okay, त्याला म्हणतो आपण aliphatic aldehydes. So examples, first one हे सुद्धा त्याच्यात एक्झाम्पल येतात, that is called as formaldehyde. Second one, CH3 C double bond OH, we know that this is called as acetaldehyde. Third one, CH3 CH2 C double bond OH, this is called as propionaldehyde. Fourth one, CH3 CH2 CH2 C double bond OH, total number of carbon atoms are 4, so it is called as butyraldehyde. Okay, so butyraldehyde, this is butyraldehyde, obtained from butter. Butter माहिती असेल सर्वांना, butter पासून butyraldehyde. Okay, this is propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Propion, then aldehyde name is that propion, Latin word means first fat, first fat.
Fatty compounds are obtained from these three carbons. Okay. So formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, propionaldehyde, butyraldehyde. ओके लाईक दॅट असे जे अल्डिहाइड्स जे असतात की ज्यांच्यामध्ये जो काही फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ एच फंक्शनल ग्रुप गेट्स अटॅच्ड टू sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is the saturated carbon atom, that is called as aliphatic aldehydes, that is called as aliphatic aldehyde. First type aliphatic aldehyde सिंपल आहे. विचार aliphatic चार्ज aromatic chain जर अटॅच असेल तर aromatic aldehyde. So second one aromatic aldehydes. Okay. So second one aromatic aldehydes. What is aromatic aldehydes now? Aromatic aldehydes. The C double bond OH group is attached to aromatic. Suppose C double bond OH group is there. Aldehyde group is there attached to the aromatic ring. Attached to aromatic ring like this. This is called as benzaldehyde. This is called as benzaldehyde. Okay, we know that this compound. So benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. So this type of compounds are there, or another compound. Suppose benzene ring is there attached to C double bond OH group, aldehyde functional group, and OH. This is called as salicyl aldehyde. We know that salicyl aldehyde. We have prepared the salicyl aldehyde. Okay, the salicyl aldehyde. Aromatic aldehydes, benzaldehyde, salicyl aldehyde. Okay, so these are the examples of aromatic aldehydes. So in aromatic aldehydes, we know that the aldehyde functional group C double bond OH group is attached to aromatic ring, directly attached to aromatic. This is important. Directly attached to aromatic ring. Okay, that is called the aromatic aldehydes. So benzaldehyde is the name, salicyl aldehyde is the name. This is the examples of aromatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes means what? The aldehydic functional group is there, which is attached to yes, aliphatic chain, open chain, sp3 hybridized carbon atom or saturated carbon atom. Okay. So acetaldehyde, formaldehyde, propionaldehyde, butyraldehyde. Okay. These are called the aliphatic aldehydes. This is called as aromatic aldehydes. Second type is aromatic aldehydes. In this case, the aldehyde functional group is attached to as what? Aromatic ring. Aldehyde functional group is attached to directly aromatic ring. That is called as aromatic aldehydes. Okay, there are two possibilities: aliphatic chain attached to the aldehydic functional group, or aromatic group is attached to aromatic group is attached to aldehydic functional group. Okay, so aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes, these are the two types of aldehydes. सगळ्यांचेच असे टाइप्स आहेत दोन कीटोन्स, aliphatic ketone, aromatic ketone. Okay, carboxylic acid also same, aliphatic carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid. असे प्रकार आपल्याला दिसतील. Okay, so this is the first classification, which is called as the classification of aldehydes. Aldehydes classified into two types. Okay, two types are there. First one is called as aliphatic aldehydes. Okay, and second one is called as aromatic aldehydes. Okay, then next we have to discuss
about classification of ketones. Ketones. Then the ketones also gets classified into two types. It also gets classified into two types. Ketones. The first one is called as aliphatic ketones. And second one is called as aromatic ketone. Aliphatic ketone, aromatic ketone. What is aliphatic ketone? Aliphatic ketone means what? In which the carbonyl carbon, this is the carbonyl carbon. C double bond O. This is called as the carbonyl carbon. This carbonyl carbon is attached to two alkyl groups. Two alkyl groups. दोन alkyl group ला attach असतील त्याला aldehydes म्हणू आपण. That is called as aldehydes. तुम्ही म्हणाल मग ते सेम आहे का? डिफरंट आहे का? त्याचे सब टाइप्स पडतील पुन्हा. सिंपल आणि मिक्स कीटोन्स. सिंपल कीटोन्स, मिक्स कीटोन्स. पुन्हा याचे दोन प्रकार पडतील. पण aliphatic ketone means what? Aliphatic ketones means the carbonyl carbon is attached to two alkyl groups. Two alkyl groups. Okay, two alkyl groups, two sp3 hybridized carbon atom or two saturated carbon atom. Okay, that is called as aliphatic ketones. Aliphatic ketones. Suppose example, suppose here methyl group is attached. Here methyl group is attached. This is also one type. This is the type of aliphatic ketones. Aliphatic ketones, dimethyl ketone. Okay. Then second one, suppose there are different alkyl groups. Methyl group is there. Then second position, methyl group is there. Then it is called as ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. So use the alphabetical order to write the name. Use alphabetical order. Use the alphabetical order. Is earlier for ethyl. Ethyl now E. Methyl group M is there. Which is earlier in alphabets? E is earlier. Then M is there. So its name is now ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. This is an identical group. So use di. Dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone. So aliphatic ketones means what? Aliphatic ketones means the carbonyl carbon is attached to two alkyl groups. That is called as aliphatic ketones. Okay. Then these aliphatic ketones, on the basis of the type of the alkyl groups attached to carbonyl carbon, it again classified into two types. पुन्हा इथे दोन प्रकार. Which is the first one? First one, A. This is called as simple or symmetrical ketone. Simple or symmetrical ketone. What is simple or symmetrical ketone? This is the simple or symmetrical ketone. Means the two alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon are identical. Are same. So its name is dimethyl ketone. Another one is, suppose one side ethyl group, another side also ethyl group is there. Then it is called a diethyl ethyl. So two alkyl groups, suppose R, C double bond O and R dash, general representation of ketone is there. Then if R and R dash are same, R and R dash are same, then it is called a simple ketone or symmetrical ketone. Okay. Dimethyl ketone, diethyl ketone, diisopropyl ketone, di-N-propyl ketone,
di-n-butyl ketone. Okay, like this. So both the alkyl groups. Now these are the types of aliphatic. So only alkyl groups. Both the alkyl groups. No hydrogen is there. Both the alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon are identical, are same. त्याला काय म्हणतात? सिंपल कीटोन म्हणतात किंवा काय म्हणतात? सिमेट्रिकल कीटोन. सिमेट्री आहे if we divide this compound into two parts in both the sides, same alkyl groups are there. Same alkyl groups are there. When we are divide here, the same ethyl group is there. If you divide here, okay, they are identical. If they are identical groups are attached on the both the sides of the carbonyl carbon, then it is called as simple ketone or symmetrical ketone. Then second type, that is called as the mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Mixed or unsymmetrical ketone.